Video is sponsored by Garfield, by Jim Davis. He sponsored this by the official Garfield vape, by the official Garfield vape, and by the official Garfield bong, and by the official Garfield heroin, by all the official Garfield drugs that you can get your hands on while supplies last. Look, I can be creepy. Am I creepy? Get the official Garfield stuff right now. Do it now. Hello friends, in this video we are potting some little jades. Here we've got, this one is a leaf. It's got some roots. I'm a bit sick still. And this one, look at this one, it's tiny, it's little. You can see my finger for reference. This is a tiny little jade that's starting off this dead leaf. You can see it's got that little white line there. There's a root coming off of it, coming off the base of it. And it's got a few little leaves and a little stem coming up. That one little root. And we're gonna grow this, and we're gonna grow this guy too, this leaf, with some roots coming off of it. And these come from this mother plant. It's about 4 years old. I started this mother plant a while ago. It's just one plant at the base there. At the base, it's thicker than my thumb. It's a nice thick plant. We're going to be using this for the pot. It's a little Benadryl container that I've poked some holes in the bottom of and cut the top off of. And this is going to be our drip tray here. Our little Garfield mug where we got Odie here holding the thing. It's not a pretty life, but someone has to live it. Thank you, Jim Davis. Thank you, McDonald's. This is brand new. No lead paint. 1978. Totally good. I'm going to put some rocks in the bottom of our pot here for drainage. So that's the first thing I'm going to do is get some rocks. Okay, we got our rocks in. Now I'm going to add the dirt. This is just a Miracle Grow cactus dirt that I added some extra rocks to. So I'm just going to scoop it in there to fill this. Or maybe, I think I'm actually going to pour it. Okay, amazing. I don't want that chunk. This part's too chunky. Okay. Perfect. There's a cat hair there. Amazing. Okay. It's good to get the soil wet before putting the plants in. Because otherwise, like you see how the water doesn't go in it right away. You can't just water dry soil immediately. Doesn't really work well. So I'd rather stick them in mud. It's a lot easier. So I'm gonna get my little mud concoction brewing here. Oh wow. Okay, look. I just went to pick up the little one. And the dead leaf, here, let me set this down. The dead leaf part of the little one broke off here. And now for the little one, we just have this. You see this? Oh, it's not focusing. There's those little roots at the bottom and then just those leaves. That's all we got here for this little one now. The dry leaf part broke off of it, which is good because I was going to have to pull that off myself otherwise. And it looks like some of those roots are starting to dry up, so we got this at the perfect timing. Well, I potted them and I fucked up the recording. But they're in here now, and I'm going to take them out, or I'm not going to take them out, but I'm going to pour out all that water. It's in there in a while, like an hour, after they're thoroughly saturated. And their spot is going to be here, next to the other one, and they should get enough light there. They should be happy and fine. And, yeah, I'm going to update this video. I'm going to make an update part 2 video. Probably after I get out of jail. By then they should be nice and grown big. Not big, but starting to flourish. So yeah. They'll be this size in about 4 years. That is hype, isn't that hype? Aren't we all hype about that? I know I'm sure hype about that. Wow. Wow.